Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm 51 years old and I just had a complete facelift with Dr. Rawnsley and I'm very happy with the results. So what I do for a living is I'm a hairdresser. I've actually been doing hair in Los Angeles, basically West Hollywood, Beverly Hills for the last 29 years. And I have seen just about every plastic surgeon's handiwork. I've seen incisions. I basically see it all. And how I found Dr. Rawnsley, I had a client walk in one day and it was the 11th day after her facelift. And boy, did she look good. And for the first time, I actually asked somebody who their surgeon was. That's how great she looked. You know, I actually never thought I was going to have a facelift. It wasn't until I saw my client walk in and I saw how she looked. That was the first time I realized, oh, I could actually have a facelift. This is doable. This isn't something that's unreachable or untouchable. That once I saw with my friend with that and with the beautiful results, then it made it fine for me to do it. And not only that, but she really made it sound like it wasn't as scary as what I thought it was going to be. She actually said it wasn't that hard. And so for the first time, I thought, wow, I didn't know that was possible. Because I've only seen all the bad incisions and all the bruising, and to see somebody walk in after 11 days, there was no bruising, no nothing. That's just what made it doable for me. So when I came in for my first consultation with Dr. Rawnsley, my first thought was, I just want to look like me. I don't want my family to know I had this done. So he guaranteed me that I would pretty much look the same, that he would just take some of this old skin and put it away and just bring out my youthfulness again. Because even at 51, I might be 51. I don't feel 51. I don't think I look 51, but my skin was starting to show, and I had lost a little bit of weight and the neck. And that was what really brought me here, was my neck. So my first consultation with Dr. Rawnsley, what I kept talking about was my neck, and he was graciously kind enough to say that that's all you really need. But if you want to take care of it all, sometimes it's better just to do it all at once and be done with it. So actually, after talking to him and listening to his expertise on the tissues and getting old tissue to work with new tissue, it made perfect sense to me. So I did a brow lift, I did my face, and I did my neck. All three at the same time. I actually healed a lot faster than I thought I was going to, and the procedure wasn't as difficult as what I was expecting, believe it or not. I have had colds that were worse than this, honestly. So my surgery was 10 weeks ago, and actually I started going to the supermarket, believe it or not, on day 5. I was able to drive. I was able to go to the market. I was able to go back to work. I went back to work on day 15 with my hair pulled back, and no one said anything about the incisions. And here I am, 10 weeks. It's been 10 weeks. And there's not a day that goes by that I don't get a compliment. I am so happy with my face. I'm so happy with Dr. Rawnsley, and I'm very happy to refer all my friends and my clients to him. I give him a big stamp of approval.